Lynn Downey. On a dark, dark night.
On an old farm.
In a rickety, tumble-down barn. Everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat,
A cow, an owl,
a feathered frog, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully.
but not the flea.
No one heard him cough. Not even the mouse. He used for a house.
Or the rat, or the cat.
Or the black-eyed bat. Or the cow, or the owl. Or the feather fowl. Or the dog, or the hawk.
Or the old barn frog.
They all slept peacefully. But not the flea. No one heard him. Sniffle, sniffle.
Not even the mouse.
He used for a house. You or the rat or the cat or the black-eyed bat or the cow or the owl
Or the feathered fowl.
or the dog or the hog or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully. Oh, but not the flea.
No one heard his garbled plea.
Does anybody have a tissue for a bee? Not even the mouse. He is for a house? Or the rat or the cat?
Or the black-eyed bat.
Or the cow or the owl? Or the feathered fowl? Or the dog or the hog? Or the old barn frog?
They all slept peacefully.
But not the flea. And suddenly, before he could cover his newt, achoo!
It scared the rat.
He cried boo-hoo. He woke up the cat. Who hissed and moo. It baffled the bat.
Whose eyes turned blue.
And confused the cow. Who muttered moo. It outraged the owl. Who yelled, hollered, hoo-hoo.
And flustered the fowl.
Who cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog. Barked, woof, woof. It spooked the hawk.
Who screamed, ew!
And remembered the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse, the flea used for a house.
Kindly gave him a tissue.
The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze.
For all the rest of that dark, dark night.
On the old farm, in the rickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully.
The flea and the mouse.
He used for a house. The rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl,
The feathered fowl.
even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze.
I think I've got to stay.